Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you guys know, I've been doing TikTok the last several months and working on building up my followers and trying to figure out how to make that go a little bit faster, a little bit easier. I don't know. I've been trying to figure out the algorithm thing. I got an email about a month ago from somebody over TikTok telling me that they enjoyed the videos that I was doing and they wanted to know if I wanted to participate in a new program that they've got coming out. So I reached out to the gal that sent the email, confirmed that everything was good, asked her what it was about, and it seems that they are doing, I guess with everybody home now, you know, with the stay-at-home stuff, a lot of people are learning online and they're looking for more fun stuff to learn. So they're working on getting more educational videos out, and they asked if I wanted to participate in that. And I go, absolutely. Now it's funny because the majority of the videos that I do are around trucking. Okay, for those of you that don't know, I drive a big rig for a living. I haul mail. So it's about trucking, it's about my cat, my daily screw-ups in my life, and my out-of-control granddaughter that I love dearly. So anyway, I agreed to participate, and I wanted to come out and let you guys know I'm up to, I believe, like 28,000 followers. And today I went over to the post office and I got this. It says, oh, it should be the right direction on that. It says, for you, TikTok creator. It is official, and I wanted to make sure that I did a video to do the unboxing. I have no idea what's in here because I haven't opened it yet. So I wanted you guys to get to go through this with me. So let's find out what's in here. Now that I have scissors, let's see if we can do this and find out what's in this. Probably a really easy way to do this, and I'm just missing. Bear with me. Don't know what this is. See, like I said, it says TikTok creator, and then on the side it says TikTok wellness on both ends. So, see what we got. At this rate, it's going to be dark before I get done. Okay. TikTok wellness says, dear TikTok creator, we invite you to celebrate TikTok wellness and mental health awareness with us during Mental Health Month. Now more than ever, it's important for us to unite as a community and recognize the importance of mental well-being during a challenging and uncertain time. As part of our TikTok creator family, your safety and the well-being of our community is our biggest priority. With your help this month, we want to engage in authentic conversations and bring light to the stigmas behind mental health disorders. We hope you enjoy your wellness kit filled with items to hopefully uplift your spirits during this time, as well as to allow you to find some calm while staying safe at home. It's important for us to observe and find dialogue during this important month, and here's how you can help spread awareness. So they've got their hashtags of mental health awareness and show how you're using your TikTok wellness kit to practice self-care during these challenging times by posting using TikTok wellness. Okay, Headspace, this one's on us. Use this code. So I don't know what headspace.com is, but we'll go out there. Aloe Moves, give yourself the gift of wellness. TikTok wellness, here's some ideas to use with my posts. Check out this crazy confetti stuff. Yay! Okay, so what do we have? I have a tie-dye kit where I can make a tie-dye shirt. What is all this? Be well and create. TikTok creator, I got my own crayons. And a TikTok book that I could actually create in blank pages. So cool. This is so cool. What is this? Everything's got the TikTok logos on it, which is so cool. Okay, I got, oh, there. Maybe it comes out that way. Yep. Ooh. We're gonna break stuff before we even get it open. So I got this cool box. It's got the TikTok logo on the front. More crazy stuff inside for packing. And what is in here? Aww. I think it's a candle. I think. Ooh. Yes, let's see. Grapefruit currant. There's a candle. So, how cool. Got a candle for my wellness. It comes with its own little box. How cool is this? Ooh, careful. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, tell me it comes out with the bag. Ooh, a plant I can kill. That sounds so bad. You got a little cactus. And I think he has his own little, check this out. He has his own little TikTok planter that he sits in. Oh, that is so cool. Check that out. I do so crappy with plants. Wish him well, okay? Because he doesn't stand a chance in my house. I can guarantee you that. I'm so sorry they sent you. Maybe we'll see how he goes. Hopefully he'll grow. Got this little, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. And this is my stash, apparently. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says stash. Oh, it's teas. Okay, so I got premium green tea, Earl Grey, and yeah, so I got a tea holder. And it comes with its own tea, green tea and Earl Grey tea. How cool is that? Ooh, aw, look, I got my very own, it says for you, and it's got a TikTok logo on it. I don't know if you can see the logo up here with the light we're losing. There we go. So I got a for you mug. How cool is that? And, it's official. I'm a creator. Check it out. I got TikTok slippers. These will be so cool. I stay in the hotel room 2 days or 3 days a week. This will be so cool because the floor is always dirty. Now I got something super lightweight and it says TikTok. How cool is that? Okay, I think last thing here is, check this out. Ooh, check that. It's my own TikTok sweatshirt. I am officially a creator. So this is so exciting for me, guys. Right now, what they invited me to do is just a temporary, I'm doing 40 videos for their educational side, and they've got some things that they said will be coming up in the middle that they can't really talk to us about. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But man, if you are not on TikTok yet, get on there, guys. People are looking for content. They're looking for information. And it's just a very simple platform. Don't let it scare you. It's literally 15 seconds. You can do less than that. You can do up to 60, but that's the most you've got to do is 1 minute at a time. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing with TikTok as we go and information about how to use it, that kind of thing, a lot of stuff that I'm actually doing on TikTok I'll be doing here on YouTube too, but make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of when my videos come out, and we'll see you on the YouTube and the TikTok side. Thank you guys for coming.